You see how energetic I walk on camera? As soon as the camera's away, I'm like, oh. Good morning guys, it is Wednesday and a beautiful, amazing day in Cape Town, South Africa. Today we are doing one of our favorite things to do in South Africa, and as you can tell from my breath, it's hiking. We're going up Lion's Head to enjoy the views up there, and we met up with a friend. This is Brian, a friend of Willie's, our friend from Miami, and we're gonna hike up this hill together.
Yeah.
I suspect that Brian is much better in shape than we are, so and because we've been doing a lot of traveling and very little sport, we are a little bit out of shape, and already after like 10 meters a little bit out of breath. So I'm gonna try and focus on, you know, staying in a good condition, and I'm gonna do some filming with the GoPro now.
Don't sit so far on the edge because your mom will freak out.
So we had a good hike up Lion's Head. It wasn't too strenuous this time. Luckily there's a little bit of a wind and it's nice and cool. But I must say, every time I come up Lion's Head, the view here is just absolutely stunning. And this should be on everybody's list to do when they come to Cape Town, a hike up Lion's Head. Tomorrow we're going to take a drive down to the Cape of Good Hope. Now we're gonna get back down this hill. I think going down sometimes is even more strenuous than coming up, so we gotta get going. I need a cup of coffee right now. So how was your hike down?
Amazing as always, and I can highly recommend to go up Lion's Head. I think we're going to go up a second time.
Yeah, we're gonna go for sunset the second time.
Yeah, so do it. You're not going to regret it.
Brian, how was your hike?
It was fantastic. Good workout, good friends, beautiful weather. What more could you ask for?
So I'll link Brian's Instagram in the description box down below, so you guys definitely have to check out his stuff.
Yeah, lots of nudes. No, I'm kidding.
So Brian actually is a travel...
I am a tour operator. Yeah, I run group trips all over the world.
Perfect.
Yeah. So
and it's not your first time in Cape Town, right?
No, this is like I'm spoiled. It's like my 11th or 12th time in Cape Town.
Yeah.
Cool.
It won't be my last.
Yeah.
Not even close to my last time here. I love it. I want to come back and live here again sometime.
Yeah, same here.